It's always been my dream, before, to make Cordova part of Cebu City. Now it's going to be Cebu City that's going to be part of Cordova.
I built a city. I built cities. Now, I will build a country. I have my own personal relations with God. I have this deep and abiding faith in God. That is really the supreme being of all the universe.
Rodrigo, Mano Maguito! Germany loves you! Pili Bacate! Mano Maguito, Rodrigo!
That I am committed to stop drugs before I go out.
Dili mahal na makikita, dili magkakon, Germany loves you! Dili magkakon muy!
Ang kasikitan ako kanang libo-libong bilyon-bilyong Pilipino working doon sa Middle East and elsewhere. Working their ass to death para lang makasweldo, makapadangari kwarta, parang ilang mga anak makaeskwela. I will kill you if you destroy the youth of my land because there are assets. Yan yung ang mag-take over kung matanda na tayo kay pobre tang tanan.
Akong garbo na paila-ila kaninyo, atong Bisaya sad na presidente sa Pilipinas, Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
My oath before God and country is to preserve the Filipino people. Period.